Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing and I am so excited to share my latest purchase from Coach. So I purchased this one online and here it is, beautifully wrapped. So this is the receipt that came with it. Okay, let's open it. So I am so excited to see this, guys. I think this is only available online. Yeah, the Willis 18. So wow, it's beautifully wrapped. Just take this box out. Okay, so here it is. It comes with this 1941 dust bag. Beautiful. I always love this dust bag, guys. I mean, this is just not the usual dust bag that they do with that comes with the Coach. Is like more of like a sateen type, like the shiny ones, and this one is more of like similar to like Louis Vuitton. Very nice. So let me show you what I got. Okay, presenting. Oh wow. Okay, oh wow. Okay, look at how pretty that is. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, this is a Coach Willis top handle 18. Look at that. Look at the color. It's so gorgeous, guys. I think this one they call the color, this one is hunter green. Wow. I mean, this is I think this was released later, probably late last year if I'm not mistaken, and this has been sold out. This one sold out pretty fast, and as I really wanted green, guys, I really wanted this Willis top handle in green, and I couldn't even find it, and it has been sold out for quite some time. And then I was surprised that this one came back a week ago, and yeah, I managed to purchase it. And this is, by the way, this one is part of the originals. Wow, it's so beautiful. As you can see, this one is made up of, once again, a gloved and leather inside and out. It's made up of this beautiful soft gloved and leather. Wow, beautiful. Wow, look at the stitching, guys. It's so lovely. The stitching seems to look like a little bit of like, has a touch of like yellow to it, yellow greenish or something like that. Yeah, it's a mixture of colors. Beautiful. Wow. So this one has a back pocket right here. So soft, so amazingly soft, and it has a turn lock closure over here, which is the hardware. The hardware is in brass, so this one is brass, and also right here at the corner it says Coach right there, the corner. So let's open it. Okay. Oh, look at that. So the interior lining is in leather, which is also gloved and leather, and it is in dark blue, deep dark blue. So let's take a look inside. So there's some stuffing inside, some desiccants. Okay. Wow. This one has a pocket right here. Right here in the middle, there's a pocket right there. This one is a large pocket right here, and this one is a flat pocket right here at the back. So there were like, yeah, two compartments actually. So the second one is the largest one, and this one is just really like flat. I don't know, with my previous Willis, I don't even remember if I used the one here right in front. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. That's the thing with this Willis 18, is that I just love the gloved and leather. I just love that this one is made up of glove tan inside and out, and that's definitely makes your money worth. And this is, I paid $350 for this, and I believe this one is still available online. You could, yeah, you're probably gonna have to check, because sometimes, you know, they said it has been sold out, but sometimes they come and go. So yeah, you're just probably gonna have to stock the website again. So this one comes with a detachable strap. So the strap here, I haven't really yet, which is also in green as well. And yeah, it is so gorgeous. I love the color, and I think green is also as auspicious colors for me, I believe, aside from red, which definitely really attracts good luck. So that's the reason why I love the green, and it's just such a beautiful, beautiful color, guys. Beautiful color. The craftsmanship for this bag, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. The stitching, oh my gosh, you could see those large stitching right here. It's just beautifully done. You could actually see just by looking at it that it was very well crafted. Beautiful. Wow. I like yeah, I like the normally I wear this one using the top handle, because I'm more of like a top handle person. Sometimes I rarely use it with the crossbody, but yeah, that could be a nice option as well. But with this one, I don't really use as you guys, I keep mentioning in my previous unboxings with regards to this gloved and leather, that gloved and leather by nature, they are prone with scratches, so you have to be careful. I mean, no matter how careful you are, actually, I mean, I just got this one and it already has scratches right at the corner. Scratches all over it. This is, I mean, you're not gonna get anything perfect with the gloved and leather. That's the fact, because it's really soft, and that's the nature of the leather itself. So when you receive something like this, and you might probably wondering like, hey, why are there marks and scratches like that? That is normal, guys. So see right here at the corner, I am actually seeing a mark. That is normal. Don't worry about that, because I mean, that's just how it is. That's the nature of the leather. All you're probably gonna have to do, what I usually do when that happens, is that I condition the leather, and you know that it's smoothing it out. And yeah, that's what I normally do, and that's what I usually do. Just put a conditioner in it, and it's just, you know, probably I am not seeing anything with my Riley and some of my purses that's made up of gloved and leather. It definitely helps the conditioner, guys. But as far as like receiving an item that you might probably wondering if there's already marks or scratches, and yes, that's the nature of the leather itself. So don't worry about that. That is just normal. But if you see like a lot, like a ton, that it's so obvious that this has been like returned or used, yeah, that's just like weird. But if you just a little bit, like quite a few, that's normal. Because even this one right here, even this tag here could scratch the leather. So that's why when I received this one, when I saw that they put this stuffing, probably just to protect itself. And yeah, I mean, this is such a, let me see here at the bottom. Okay, yeah, there's like marks. I mean, I don't know what this, see, that's what I'm talking about. I just received this. I was like, yeah, so just don't worry about it. You just have to buff it with a conditioner, and it's not gonna go away, but just to smoothen it out. And then, I mean, with my experience, I don't think I'd some, it depends on how you use it actually, but as far as like those scratches, yes, as far as the leather, yes, it is prone with the scratches. Okay, very nice. Let me just see one more time. Yeah, just so beautiful. It is gorgeous. Like the interior is gorgeous. Wow, it's amazing. So I have here my Willis in vermilion color. So that's how I wear this one. And I got a tulle. This tulle is from Hermes though. This is one of my oldest collection. And yeah, it's for, I have this one for quite some time and it's looking great. I love this color. So beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's like, you know, it's so cute. I love it. So this is in vermilion and this is in hunter green. Both are beautiful. Both are gorgeous. I love them. So beautiful. Wow. And I also have the other one there. I got it in flax as well. But yeah. So I'm just going to show you a quick look at how I style this bag. And yeah, it looks great. I still probably have to look for a twilly that is a mixture, multicolor with some green in it. I'm not sure if this one would work. This one has green in it. I think it would work with a twilly. Yeah. Let's see on the other side. Yeah. So yes. So beautiful, guys. The color is amazing. And this Willis top handle 18. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. That's just my quick unboxing on my latest purchase from Coach. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.